Well, so this is a new platform which is actually going to give you the opportunity to play a game and start making money with this cool platform. Now, as you can see up here, I have this amount of USDT in my account simply by playing games on this platform. So I'm going to show you everything you have to know how to play games on this platform to make a lot of money, how to deposit, how to withdraw your earnings each and every time, and how you can make a lot of money by playing multiple games here. So you have the popular games, you have the iGame, you have the lottery, you have the slots, you have the sports, you have the fishing and live casino and many more. So if you're into gaming, this platform is actually going to help you make a lot of money. Now, in order for you to register an account, please check under the description of this particular video. There is a link there. Tap on that particular link and it's going to take you to the registration process. Now, once you tap on that particular link, it's going to take you here, which says register an account. Now, first thing you need to do is to input in your account, either your name, your email, anything. Just put it out here. All right. Once you are done, enter a password for yourself and continue to confirm that particular password. Make sure it matches already and input in your real name. Now re-enter this ticket at this session here and tick on I am 18 old. I am 18 years old. I have read and agreed this, and click on register button here. Now once you're done, it's going to take you to the platform automatically. So let me try to log into my account and show you how this is done. Okay, all right. So I'm gonna have to input in this and then click on login. Now if I log in, I still have my amount of money. You can see it is reading up here. I have this amount of money here. Now once you register, let me show you how you can play game on this platform. Now you have one of the popular games, which is the Golden Bank. Click on it, and once we click on it, it's gonna load the game for you. And this is how you are going to play the game. So you have your money in this account. Click on continue, make it play, and start with the gaming. Now you're going to spin any number here. Okay, it is an event, you're going to spin it on. So once I click on this, it's gonna spin this golden band for me. So once I hit any of these amounts, you see I've gotten a big win, which is about 50 plus USDT, which is added so you can see I have won this amount of money into my account. So what is the when this amount of money is added to my current balance in the platform? So this is how it is played, right? So once you play this game, you can choose any different game for yourself. So you have multiple games here. So choose any of these you can play, or you're good at it, and start playing games. So you can see it is running up here. Now, in order for you to get more of good predictions, join the Telegram channel on the platform. They're going to give you good predictions each and every single day, so you can make a lot of money with this cool platform. Now, in order for you to make lots of money on this same platform, you can refer your friends. By referring, just click on the agent here, click on the agent button, and click on the I think there's not the part you're supposed to click. Come back here, let's click on promotions. Alright, so promotions is also going to give you the opportunity to make a lot of money, either by inviting your friends, either by playing lottery and a lot of games out here. So just click on any of these, which is invite your friends, and copy your referral link. Now once you copy your referral link, share it with your friends. Once any of your friends join using your referral link, you are also going to make good use of it. All right, so that's how it is out here. So we have the VIP aspect too, which is going to help you check your records on the game and know how you can play it too as well. So this is very simple, guys. Just scroll through, and the one you can afford to play, the one we are good at it, just choose it and start playing games on this platform. Now one is going to ask me, how can I deposit an amount of money on this platform? Now in order for you to make a deposit, just click on the deposit button here. Alright, once you click on it, it's gonna give you the options to input in the minimum amount of money you can afford to deposit and recharge your account. Once you recharge, just choose the payment method, either USDT, either TRC, or any crypto wallet you can afford, and just send the money from your external wallet into the platform by copying the deposit address All right, so deposit address will be given to you. Send it to your external wallet and make a successful transaction for yourself, and your money is going to reflect in this particular account. So once it reflects, you can start playing any game of your choice on this cool platform. Now, once you are done with that, and you maybe in case you want some coins on this platform and you want to make a deposit or withdrawal, you want to make a withdrawal, come to the My Aspect here. Once you come to the My Aspect here, click on Withdraw. Now it's going to tell you to select or create a withdrawal password, which is at this session. So scroll till you find bank card management, okay, and then bind your account. So here it says add bank account. Click on it and select any number or any password, withdrawal password you can remember, and just click on go on. Now it means you have simply created a password for yourself. Input in the necessary details of your bank. So input in your account name. So select any method, maybe TLC, either BNB, just select it and input in, enter your bank card number. So put in the bank card number again and enter IFC, your IFSC, okay, and click on confirm. So your bank is going to bind successfully to the platform. So once you request for any withdrawal, it's going to be withdrawn from this particular account into your wallet or your bank account. So this is how it is done. Now you can also check your betting records. You can also check for invitation. Now here is where you're going to refer your friends. Okay, click on the invite button here. Right, so once you click on the invite button, make sure to click on this address a copy. All right, so or give this one click here. All right, let's come back here and then copy this address here. Right, copy it and share it with your friends. Once any of your friends join using your link, you are going to make some cool profits for yourself. You're going to gain some commissions for yourself. All right, so that's how it is done. So just refer your friends. The more you refer your friends, you can also make a lot of money on this platform. Now, in case you have any challenges or you have any problem, just click on the help button here. Now, once you click on the help button, it's going to take you to their customer service on Telegram. You can also click on this button to chat with them on this same platform. Now, join their platform on Telegram. So click on contact now. It's going to take you to Telegram so you can chat with them. Okay, that's how it is done. So you can also join their Telegram channels too. All right, you can join their Telegram channels too. They are going to help you earn a lot of money on this platform by giving you some tips. Also, click on the download button here to download the application so that you can find it easy to navigate through the platform. So this is how it is done on the platform. So just start making money with this cool platform and thank me later in the comment section. Now, if you found this video interesting, just go ahead and subscribe, like this video, leave a nice comment, and don't forget to share this video to your friends. Thank you very much for watching.